So Elon Musk's SpaceX has a huge update for Dogecoin, and it appears that something big is on the cards. And this is what I'm going to talk about in this video. But before coming to it, let's take a quick overview of the overall crypto market. So we know that the crypto market had a rough phase during November. Following Bitcoin's new all-time high in early November, other cryptos quickly followed suit, with many of them also setting new all-time highs. However, the bull run that began in October came to an abrupt halt. Substantial sell-offs on the one hand and reports of a new COVID variant on the other had a significant impact on the price of cryptos. However, the crypto market looks to have overcome the FUD as major coins, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, are now on a rebound. Meanwhile, the price of Bitcoin has now settled at around $57,000 after hovering between $53K and $55K over the last few days. Now we know that Bitcoin remained in limbo following last week's flash crash, which some analysts mistook for the start of a bear market that would see its price continue to tumble in the short term. However, Bitcoin's subsequent rebound gave bullish investors hope that new all-time highs are imminent. And other cryptos, including Ethereum, have been trading in the green over the last 24 hours. And Ethereum's price in particular has been somewhat of a surprise given the bearish sentiment and exiting the bear channel. Ethereum is currently just $200 shy of hitting the prior all-time high, showing resilience and outperformance of the broader crypto market. And now it is critical for Ethereum to close above the $4,700 level in order to continue the uptrend in the coming trading session. From there, Ethereum would be positioned in a favorable bullish entry point that positions it towards hitting a new all-time high. All in all, the overall crypto market is looking great now, and it is highly likely that this uptrend is going to continue throughout the month of December. And with that being said, let's come to the big update for Dogecoin. So there is an image circulating on the internet where a SpaceX spaceship has an image of the dog that inspired Dogecoin's theme. Now there haven't been any official reports regarding the authenticity of this image, but there are speculations that this might be an original image. So we might not have any proof about this image, but we already know that Dogecoin was used to pay for a space mission to the moon. It was announced in May by the Geometric Energy Corporation that the DOGE-1 mission, the first ever commercial lunar mission paid entirely with Dogecoin, will launch in 2022 with the help of SpaceX. Meanwhile, it was also revealed that Dogecoin has been chosen as the payment for all of its lunar business with SpaceX and finds the decision will set a precedent for future missions to the moon and Mars. And we also saw that Elon Musk was excited about the first ever crypto in space, tweeting a Dogecoin song with the ever-popular phrase "to the moon." And as per a more recent report, the DOGE-1 mission is ready for launch in early 2022. And SpaceX had partnered with two blockchain companies, Unizen and ZenX, to bring the project to fruition. The CubeSat, which weighs 40 kilograms, will be launched into orbit as a new use case for the crypto industry. In addition, the CubeSat will collect information through various methods, including sensors, cameras, and mirrors, and will relay this information back to Earth. Meanwhile, launching the CubeSat combines the technology behind SpaceX's Falcon X and blockchain technology. And upon launch, the miniature satellite will orbit the moon to obtain lunar spatial intelligence. So it has been confirmed that a Dogecoin-funded moon mission is on the cards and is bound to be launched next year. So seeing this, I think that this leaked image may be genuine. This is because we already know how Elon Musk has been supporting Doge. So it is believable that a SpaceX ship incorporates a Doge-inspired image, especially considering that a mission has already been funded by Dogecoin. In any case, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think that this is a real image? Let me know in the comments section below. And now, before going through Dogecoin's price analysis, let's see some important updates from the crypto world for a minute. So Grayscale Investments has recently expressed concern over the SEC decision to prohibit Bitcoin Spot ETFs. The asset management firm contended that the commission lacks any justification for allowing investment in the derivatives market rather than in the asset itself. And as we know that the SEC has recently rejected a number of offerings, including one by VanEck, Grayscale views it discriminatorily. And the firm is also seeking approval of its application to convert the Grayscale Bitcoin fund to a spot offering. In addition, Grayscale underlined that because Bitcoin is not a security, it is exempt from the Investment Company Act of 1940's registration requirements. Hence, there is no ground for the SEC to reject spot ETFs applications. Now we know that the crypto sector has long pleaded for the acceptance of a physically backed spot ETF. And this is because a spot ETF is much better than a futures ETF since it directly invests in the underlying crypto. However, since demand for spot ETFs is rising, it is highly likely that the SEC will change its stance. And as per another report, Grayscale Investments has announced the launch of its 16th investment vehicle, the Grayscale Solana Trust. According to the official announcement, the new trust would invest exclusively and passively in Solana. And the Grayscale Solana Trust is the company's 16th investment product, following Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, Stellar, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, and Decentraland. So we are now seeing Grayscale at the forefront of providing investors with efficient exposure to the rapidly evolving crypto ecosystem. Moreover, we are seeing the widespread acceptance and adoption of crypto as investors are now interested in diversifying their holdings with cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is a great thing for cryptos, and we will eventually witness more adoption of this emerging sector. And talking about crypto adoption, the latest update to the Indian crypto regulation issue saw Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman confirm that the crypto bill to be submitted in Parliament this winter will almost certainly differ from the February 2021 draft. At the moment, the government is awaiting permission from the Cabinet before presenting the bill to Parliament. However, this unique update has clarified a great deal for the Indian community, given the previous concern about the similar wordings of both laws. While the market is abuzz with speculation, the finance minister clarified that the new bill incorporates research from the previous bill and is updated to fit the requirements of the current state, transforming it into a much more contemporary and improved bill. And it appears to be a good thing, since it is now somewhat clear that India is not going to ban cryptos, which was speculated recently. And according to the Indian finance minister, the Indian government is closely monitoring crypto ads and marketing but is not considering a ban at the time. Sitharaman sought to allay some of the concerns about cryptos in India and if they will be outlawed or regulated during a parliament question and answer session. However, she made no definitive statement about the status of cryptos and urged everyone to await the bill, which will be introduced soon. So as we know that crypto came under fire in India following claims that the government will submit a bill banning all private crypto, putting an end to hopes of the Indian government adopting a more lenient approach. But as I said, it now appears that the government is not looking to ban cryptos, but may place some limitations to avoid illicit use of the digital assets. Meanwhile, Jordan Belfort, the ex-stockbroker whose insane life inspired Martin Scorsese's movie The Wolf of Wall Street, recently attacked Dogecoin and Shiba Inu in an interview with British tabloid The Sun. According to the iconic American entrepreneur, the two most popular meme coins, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, have no real value or utility. He then asserted that the sole aim of these coins is to coerce individuals into parting with their money, casting doubt on their ability to make people wealthy. In addition, he said that while there have been several examples of fortunate people making millions with Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, there have been an unlimited number of people crushed by the meme coin phenomenon. So according to Belfort, this is not an appropriate investment, and he believes that respectable projects such as Bitcoin and Ethereum suffer as a result of a few bad apples. Now I think that Jordan Belfort may have his reasons to bash Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, but I think that he is ignoring the fact that Dogecoin is not much more than a meme coin. So we have seen how Dogecoin has been getting adopted as a payment method in the recent past. And according to Cryptwork, over 1,000 merchants have added Dogecoin as a valid payment method, including AMC, Bitrefill, and others. Additionally, Dogecoin's network has become much better. We know that Dogecoin's new upgrade was released recently, and it has reduced the transaction cost for Doge, making it the lowest among all other cryptos. So all this indicates that Dogecoin is way more than a meme coin. And I think Doge is definitely providing consumer utility, and there is no doubt that Doge has grown in popularity and in its value owing to its effective, secure, and stable network. And with that being said, let's come to Dogecoin's price analysis. So Dogecoin has breached a critical resistance level of 21 cents in the last 24 hours, and it currently rests near the 20-cent support level. And these two price levels are acting as indicators for a bullish formation for Doge. However, Dogecoin has to pierce through 29 and 32 cents resistance levels to trigger the uptrend. And in the best-case scenario, this development could boost Doge potential up to 36 cents. All in all, if buyers can overcome these resistance levels, Doge is definitely moving back up in the market. In any case, where do you think we are headed from here? Do you think that Dogecoin is going to trend in an upward trajectory from here? Let me know in the comments section below. And this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.